Hello YouTubers, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Doctor Who, the Complete It series Collector's Edition on Blu-ray. But first, just to show you this, which came in the box. It's just a nice little art card of the Doctor and Missy. For some reason my camera is having a very hard time focusing on that, but oh well, this is what you mainly want to see, so let's just take the cellophane off. And I have no idea what's inside here, so we're both going to find out together. One off. So, here are the other art cards, which, there we go, can just slide out like that. Wow, you get quite a lot. So you've got, Am I a Good Man? Very nice. I'm not going to read all these out, so you can just pause and read them in your own time. Exterminate, which is obviously the Daleks. And the last one here is obviously of the Cybermen, although that shouldn't say delete, because the Cybermen don't say delete anymore. So that's incorrect, because there are world Cybermen. But anyway, that's just me rambling. Boom, through the magic of editing, they're now all back in there. So this little thing just tells you the running time, the region and that. So here it is, and as you can see, it's sort of like a diagram of the TARDIS, but the special thing about this is, yeah, it makes sound effects. And that's why there's such a huge chunk there. So here we go. This is actually a rather thin box, actually, considering. If I just bring in Series 7 as a comparison. This is just the same size as a normal Blu-ray, however, this is obviously a lot thicker. So here we go, it's just the normal Complete Series 8 design from here on. With all the stuff on the back. But you can read all that in your own time. It's a nice, lovely design. And if we open it, basically all that was just advertising. So if we get in, we can see here that they've, unfortunately, rather than giving us an actual leaflet, they've actually put it all on here. And because this is blue plastic, it's harder to read. I'd much prefer if it was a leaflet. So anyway, we've got disc 1 here with Clara and the Doctor on there, and that includes Deep Breath, Into the Dalek, and Robot of Sherwood. Any special features? Commentary on Into the Dalek and Robot of Sherwood. We've got disc 2 here, which is Listen, Time Heist, and The Caretaker, and Kill the Moon. And you can see you've got that whole clock design. Special features, commentary on The Caretaker and Kill the Moon. Here we've obviously got the mummy from Mummy on the Orient Express. Flatline, Into the Forest of the Night. Any special features? Doctor Who, the Ultimate Time Lord special feature. That's why, okay. Disc 4 has Dark Water and Death in Heaven. which has a number of special features. I'll just read them out. Doctor Who, The Ultimate Companion. Casting, Peter Capaldi. Writing, the new series. What is Doctor Who? Why watch Series 8? TARDIS Tour. And Fox says, Don't Stop Me Now. Disc 5 is the special features disc, which has all the behind the scenes, at Deep Breath Q&A, World Tour documentary and trailers. And if we just look behind, there we go, there we've got a picture of the 12th Doctor's TARDIS. So that's it. So should you buy this? Well, if you did enjoy Series 8 like I did, then yeah, it's definitely worth a look. You're getting 5 discs again, and you're getting a pretty good number of special features. Now, this is the BBC exclusive version, so you get the special TARDIS cover, and you get the art cards. However, the standard edition, you'll just get literally just this. But they're both around the same price. This one is obviously slightly more expensive, but in my opinion, that extra expense is worth it. Now, it's officially released on Monday, the 24th of November, but since I pre-ordered, I managed to get it on the 21st. So anyway, I'll see you next time.